Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great week. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend so far. And welcome to a quick Bitcoin update. We'll do a full update. I mean, in general, there's not much to report on. The technical situation is basically the same as yesterday, I would say. I mean, yesterday, well, not the same as yesterday, but yesterday we were still relatively bearish. Or at least we got some bearish moves. It was up and down, very much volatile. We had some options expiring, etc. And today, it's the weekend, all right? And yesterday, the volume already started dropping down, but I think in general, if you look at the volume for Bitcoin, we might actually see the lowest volume we have seen in a very long time, all right? Because right now the volume is around $22 billion. On a Saturday, usually over the course of Saturday to Sunday, that actually continues to drop down. So I don't expect much, all right? And if you look at the technical situation right now, it's very much neutral. The EMAs are practically flat since the start of today, at least. They're not really providing any support, not really providing any resistance, so not much we can derive off of them. Obviously, if you zoom out, I would say this is still bullish. We have the Bitcoin halving coming up, which I haven't really made my mind up what I think about that. Usually, when I think about and when there's such big events coming up, usually what I say is that there'll be sell the news events. And usually, if a lot of people expect news events to be sell the news events, usually the sell the news actually comes a little bit earlier. And right now the Bitcoin halving is in 20 days. So, you know, we might actually still get some bullish momentum before that at the start of next week or something. But at some point of time, and I'll keep you updated on this. For now, I'm not too worried about it, but at some point of time, I would start to at least get prepared for some sort of a bigger drop. All right. But like I said, it's for me the most likely direction for now is still up, all right? Because if you think about the ETF inflows, if you think about the halving coming up, which is still 3 weeks away, right? So that still gives us a window before that where it could still function as a bullish fundamental catalyst. Given all of that, and that the technicals in my eyes are more bullish than bearish, I'm still more bullish on Bitcoin. It's just that I want you to start preparing for it, all right? But all right, so if you look at Bitcoin right now, we're gaining some momentum right here. It's minimal, but it's true. And we have hit the bottom of this kind of consolidation range, which we're in right here at like 69,000. So just in general, and that's also what we saw over the course of last weekend. I mean, last weekend we were quite bullish on Saturday and Sunday. So we might run that back. So I'm more bullish than bearish in general. That's what I'm trying to say. All right. In these low liquidity / low volume situations, we might also just hunt the liquidity up and down. Right now, most of the liquidity is to the upside, around 72,000. So in my eyes, it seems most likely we'll get up there. All right. Is it at 72,000? Did I see that correctly? Yeah. Wow. There's actually a lot of liquidity up there. So right now, when the volume is low, it's easier to push the price up there. We're gaining some momentum. Weekend last week was also bullish. Fundamentals in my eyes are still bullish. So I don't expect much movement. But if we do get some more momentum, and if we do get some movement, I think the bullish scenario is most likely. All right. So keep your eyes on that. But like I said, the circumstances with this low volume, they're usually quite difficult to trade, right? And as you could see, there's also quite a lot of liquidity down here at 68,000. So we could also just do a nice liquidation spike up, liquidation spike down, just like we had, for example, right here. So be careful, right? Be prepared for that. In general, I wouldn't trade too much, but if I would have to tell you my most likely direction, it's up, all right? So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great weekend. Take care. And bye.